Hi Pam, this is how you kind of deal with this type of Adobe PDF. I'm in Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's a free reader. I just opened up this certificate and you just type in there and I change it to Murphy and then I come down here and I just give myself $25,000. Scroll down a little more, issued by, and this can just be and the font sort of changes its size. So Pam Smith, oops. And then when you want to save it, you just go up here and hit, well, that's print. So you can go File. And so you don't mess with the template, you just save as. And let's see, that just chooses a different folder. Okay, and then it lets you change the name. Murphy gift certificate 2019. So you can change it to whatever you want and then save it somewhere. Okay, so now that's available to print out. So that's how that works. You could just say File, Save As, pick the folder, and once again we can just call it something like generic. And hit save. Okay, so now once this is all done, I can just go into a folder. Where am I? In my Coneps. I'm not certain if it's going to show up here. Probably not. Maybe book sales. Okay, here's that one I just made today, a few minutes ago. And then I can open that up. And then there it is. So as long as you have just the free Adobe Reader, which you can load on any Windows machine, any Apple machine, any Android cell phone, any Apple cell phone. It runs on all those devices. So that's why it's a nice generic kind of item to have.